So, there's another Doctor Who review, but today I'm going to be reviewing the Matt Smith's 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. So, first, all you gotta do is press this button to activate it. And then the long bar button here does that. But for that mode, this button does not make the sonic sound. If you can see that, you can see the black button over there. You have to press that to make the light turn on and the sonic screwdriver sounds. And then also, here's how you shorten it. You just grab the end of it. You just grab the front and push it down, and it'll do that. And also, if you and then there's a big red button, but all it does is sonics. So yeah, but if you press the big red button two times, and then 2 times fast, and then the third 3 times fast, but then the third one you actually hold it down, makes that sound. But if you do it 4 times, it kind of makes like a glitching sound. Like glitches out. It makes the normal Matt Smith sound along with this like static thing. So also another hidden feature is if you grab this, and if you're strong enough, you can do this with one hand. See, you just pull the gray part down, and it does the sonic screwdriver thing. And well, guys, that's pretty much it for this video.